નમસ્કાર વાલીઓ અને વિદ્યાર્થીઓ. આજે ધોરણ 8 બ માં અંગ્રેજી પાઠ્યપુસ્તકમાં યુનિટ 1 નું એક્ટિવિટી 2 અ કી ટુ હેવન નો રોલ પ્લે બાળકો દ્વારા થઈ રહ્યો છે. તો થોડું ઘણું બાળકોને આવડતું હતું, થોડું ઘણું શીખવાડ્યું છે અને અમારી શાળામાં આવી રીતે નવીન પ્રયોગ કરવામાં આવ્યો છે કે બાળકો આના થકી અંગ્રેજી બોલતા થાય અને થ્રુ આઉટ ઇંગ્લિશ બોલે અને એ લોકોની ફ્લુઅન્સી વધે અને એ લોકોનો કોન્ફિડન્સ પાવર વધે. એના માટે આ રોલ પ્લે બાળકો દ્વારા મોઢે તૈયાર કરવામાં આવ્યો છે. તો આપ સૌને નમ્ર વિનંતી કે વિડીયો જ્યાં સુધી પૂરો ના થાય ત્યાં સુધી બાળકોને આપ સૌ નિહાળો. સીન 1.
Good morning, dear Vajayji.
Good morning. Where I am minister today, I will discuss the new road project with them.
Your Majesty, a great sadhu is in our kingdom. This day is the minister are eight great sadhu came.
Interest a sadhu, a great sadhu. Who is this sadhu? I don't know anything about him. But do you know something, Raman?
My lord. So this is Your Majesty, I heard about this sadhu. He comes from the Himalayas and fruits from the air.
And there is a long queue of people in front of his tent every day. They offer him coins, clothes, animals, vegetables and dry fruits.
He can cure any illness by puja, but you need to play him a big sum for grace.
Interesting. I want to know about this sadhu, but you can go now. I will discuss about this sadhu with Raman only. Raman, what do you think? Is the real sadhu? Good sadhu charge of money, their service. We need to keep watch on this sadhu.
Yes, Your Majesty, I too feel something is wrong.
Raman, go to his camp and find out more about this sadhu.
Certainly, sir.
Silence looked there. The grey said his ugly with divine eyes.
Your Holiness, please accept this as of my sacrifice to my Lord how I can become you.
My dear child, I am blessed with your gift. Now don't worry, I will definitely make you rich. We need to only perform a puja at your house.
Thank you, Your Holiness. I am so lucky. Please tell me what I need to do.
Dear child, I need only 2 gold coins for the puja.
It's all right. I will give you 2 gold coins.
बच्चा तेरा कल्याण होगा रक्षा जी पति भव.
Your Holiness, you are the greatest sadhu in the world. Please bless me.
Get up my child. Tell me your problem.
My lord, I have everything in my life. I have a big house, lot of money, and happy family. God do something so that I can go to heaven after my death.
It's very easy for me. Come here. Ouch.
I am the luckiest man in the world. I have a magical hair. This hair will take directly to heaven. He is a very, very holy man. Every hair of his bird free ticket to heaven.
I also want to go to heaven rather than become rich. Then please, what I will do, Your Holiness, please follow me to pluck a hair.
One for me too.
Please do not say no to your followers. Give them a key to heaven. So that is the truth about this sadhu. He only wanted your money and gifts. We can be rich by working hard. We need not give a earning to sadhus like this.
Oh, my 2 gold coins.
Don't worry, the kings will arrest him. Everyone will get his money back. Thank you for watching us.